Hi everyone, welcome to the Manhattan Project. There'll be no Manhattans made tonight. What we are making instead will be an Espresso Martini. But first I would like to introduce you to Nothing Bothers Me Vodka. It is distilled and bottled in Poland and then imported in the United States. And they are out of the New York, Connecticut area. You probably haven't seen this on shelves unless you live up there. But I got to tell you, I have not had this in a cocktail yet, but this is dynamite, straight, neat, whatever you want to say. This is going to be a heavy hitter, so keep an eye on Nothing Bothers Me Vodka. There'll be a link in the description to their website. They have some options for ordering, I believe, and then it gives their whole backstory, which is actually very interesting. This is distilled, I think they said about an hour and a half from Warsaw, Poland, and it is good, good, good. So let's make this cocktail. Yeah, so someone from ultimately saw one of our videos from Nothing Bothers Me, and then put Peter, who is the founder of Nothing Bothers Me, in contact, and they send us out a nice care package, couple minis, couple big bottles, and then this beautiful bar mat, which I'm really digging, and then some shirts and whatnot. So first of all, Peter, thank you for all this. Wasn't expecting that this robust care package, so it's a great surprise, and thank you. All right, so this is a relatively easy cocktail to make, except for simple syrup. Let's just start with the simple syrup. That is a half an ounce, and that is going to be the sweet component to this. If you make your own, it's always better. Highly recommend doing that. Next is going to be 1 ounce of Mr. Black coffee liqueur, and this recipe actually is right in the back of this bottle. This is great stuff, and it's also online, of course. And then 1 ounce of the star of the show, the Nothing Bothers Me Vodka. So again, very simple ingredients. 1 to 1 to 1 to 1, which I'm coming up with the last one. And this is freshly made espresso, chilled. This actually came from a Nespresso pod, which I ordered by accident, but that gave me the inspiration to shoot this tonight, make this cocktail. So 1 ounce. So see, I have a shaker with ice. And we're going to give this a shake for about 30 seconds. Be right back. All right, so we're going to double strain this because there's going to be ice chips in here otherwise. So this is a obnoxiously big glass. Somehow we ended up ordering them bigger than typical, but less chance for spillage, I hope. All right, so a typical garnish for this would be 3 coffee beans, but again, this was very last minute, and I didn't plan that far in advance, and I don't give a rat's ass about garnishes, ultimately. So here we go, my first try at a Nothing Bothers Me Espresso Martini. Cheers. Oh, that's good. It's got everything you want it to be. It's a classic, just a classic espresso martini. It tastes exactly like it's supposed to. The measure of a quality vodka is not necessarily in a cocktail, but it does this cocktail really well. So I'm pretty impressed by it so far. There's going to be many more reviews and cocktails made with this, so please stay tuned. See you next time.